How to delete your Google Pay account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete your Google Pay account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the only way to delete your Google Pay account is to actually get rid of your whole Google account itself, which means that when you delete your whole Google account, you'll lose your access to all of the Google services like Google Photos, Google Contacts, Google Messages, Google Drive files. Anything that is linked to your Google account are also going to get deleted. But unfortunately that's the only way to delete our Google Pay account. So what you need to do is go ahead and make sure to launch the Google Pay application here, and then just tap the profile icon from the top right, and then over here you'll be able to find the option called Manage Google Account. Make sure to tap on it. When you tap the Manage Google Account option over here, you're going to be taken to this page where what you need to do is you just need to go to this option called Data and Privacy. And when you come to Data and Privacy, all you have to do is scroll all the way to the very bottom of the screen. Here you'll find the option called Delete Your Google Account. Make sure to tap on Delete Your Google Account, and then once you delete your Google account, your Google Pay account is also going to get deleted. So if you have any sort of balance available in your Google Pay account, first of all go ahead and withdraw all of them, because you will not be able to withdraw them once your account has been deleted. Hope this video helped you as to how you can delete your Google Pay account. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.